All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. We're working on a 10, 20, 25 foot bean head. We got pieces that go out here. The one we had has got a bracket broke on the inside. Everything's not lining up. So we got an older piece that the sheet metal's bad. So we're taking two and making one, if that makes any sense. So what we got this broke off in there, and I welded it right there last summer. So my welds are good, but it broke off there. The problem is it keeps breaking. It's supposed to go down in there. I got this old divider. That's good. It's not broke. But this part right here is bad. So we're gonna cut part of the sheet metal off this one, weld it, pop rivet and weld it onto that one, and get us by till next year, because I'm wanting to go to a 30-foot header and upgrade quite a bit. So we'll talk to you here in a minute. What we're doing is we cut this part off. It's not the best in the world, but it was better than what we had. And we're grafting it onto the other piece, because all that's in good shape. And this right here is what was broken, the piece we was using. So we're trying to make something work here. Well, here's the final product. It's not the prettiest in the world, but I don't even know if you can find a piece like that new. Yeah, Dad's done put duct tape on it, Gorilla tape. If you could, it would probably be several $100s. But it is what it is until we can find one better, or who knows, it may last 5 years. Let's go look at the other side. This side kind of got in the same shape last year. You can get in there. Right up here it got cracked real bad. I spot welded it in several places. Then I took JB weld. And I smoothed out over it and kind of sanded it down. We painted it. And there's our new divider we've got on this side. I've got to get the other one painted. And I'll show you something else that Dad's been working on. And he's got it completed. We got new fingers and finger holders. And this pan piece, it's in bad shape. Let me see if I can get in there. You can kind of see where it's bent up and fingers are catching on it and it's not level. We got a brand new one sitting here. So that's going on probably Monday. We've got to get the header off the wagon and on the combine because it is a flex header and right now it's not letting it move, and just be easier to get that on. And that's a Studebaker engine. I may have to show y'all part of the Studebaker one day. And we got a unloading auger out of a 1660, the old style, old gearbox. If anybody's interested, contact me. We got a brand new one sitting here. So that's going on probably Monday. We've got to get the header off the wagon and on the combine because it is a flex header and right now it's not letting it move, and just be easier to get that on. And that's a Studebaker engine. I may have to show y'all part of the Studebaker one day. And we got a unloading auger out of a 1660, the old style, old gearbox. If anybody's interested, contact me.